Hello, I'm Peter Tavino, the geothermal instructor for CleanEdison, here to answer this week's question, which is, how do you market geothermal to a customer? And it's an important question because we do our work only after we've convinced the building owner or the homeowner that ground source energy is best for them. So we must understand it ourselves first, and then convince the owner to implement it, and then do the actual installation. Most building owners do not understand how heat comes out of the ground and goes into their building through the roof and the heat pumps. And it's our job to understand it and explain it to them so that they understand it before they make the decision to go forward. So there are some tools that installers can use, such as the heat pump company's brochures that we give to the owners, our clients, and there are websites that explain it. When you take the CleanEdison workshop, you'll see a 20-minute video I've put together that explains geothermal in simple but technically correct terms so that you'll understand it the way the past CleanEdison installers have understood it and thanked me and told me that they do understand it because it's concise there, and when we go through the entire 20-hour workshop, they become experts at it, ready to explain it to their clients and customers. Now, after the owner understands how geothermal works, because you convince them, you have to convince them that you are the best person to install it for them. So of course the first thing is to show them that you're an accredited installer listed on the International Ground Source Heat Pump Association website, because you've passed the test that we give you at the end of the workshop. Then you must convince them that your experience is good, that you have good references, and show them by word of mouth that you are, and by a good price that you can give them, that you are the best person to install it for them. In the November issue of Worldwide Geothermal Resources magazine, there's an article that I authored about how selling geothermal is like selling a car. So we'll be talking about that more this winter too. There are some similarities in selling a vehicle and compared to other cars and a geothermal ground source system. So please join me in one of the upcoming workshops that are planned. We'll be happy to have a couple of days together discussing how geothermal ground source heating works and how you can convince your customer that it's best for them. Thank you very much. Bye.